Hey, Mr. V here, back in the shop running another test on our system. So I just want to do a quick demonstration of how our 2-camera setup at this point is going to work. We are using the laptop camera, as you can see here, and then we have a second view that will take us into a split screen, and it will look something like this. And so I'll be able to demonstrate here with a demonstration camera, and then I'm going to use the straight-on camera, turn it, and create side view and top view, and that will hopefully give us a really great opportunity to demonstrate difficult and detailed tasks and tools and features when our students are at home learning in that environment. So let's go ahead and switch to the 2-camera setup, and we'll do a quick little demonstration on our new paint spray system here as a way to do that. So let's switch, and we're gonna move this camera over. So we're gonna travel a little bit here, and then we're gonna tilt down, and that gives us a pretty good view of what's going on here. Okay, so this is our new paint sprayer. It's the Earlex Spray Station 1900. So this is their entry-level product. It retails at about $50. $50. This is, again, I'm blown away by the price point. And so far on the initial tests, we have been getting incredible results. And so we'll talk about that a little bit. But there's basically 2 components. You've got your spray gun, and then you've got your high volume, low pressure pump system, okay? And so let's take a look at the pump real quick. Super simple setup. You can see the scale of this. You know, there's my hand, and this little pump is super portable, combination, easy to carry on the top. Our hose is 9.5 feet long, and it attaches to the front of the unit with a kind of a bayonet connection. So you slide in, turn it to the left about 1/8 of an inch, and that locks the hose into position. The pump switch is right here on top. So super simple. It's kind of nice. It has a rubberized protection over the top, so that allows us to keep dust and paint and dirt and everything out of it. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so you hear how this pump sounds. Ready, go. Okay, so fairly quiet. If you've never heard these pumps before, this is super compact, and so I like that. It's not very loud, and that will keep some of the noise fatigue down. Lastly, right here on the top, this is actually the pump intake, so the air is flowing down and through that area right there. This is a pre-filter, and so that has to be in place to make sure we keep dust and debris out of the pump so that that does not clog what we're doing. And so that's the simple pump system. So once we've got our pump in place, then we can bring our actual, it's called a cup sprayer, because it has a cup. So when we unscrew, we fill that with our paint product. This is the intake straw or nozzle, so that's gonna take it in. And I don't know why our camera then seized up on us. But let's go ahead and cut it right there. We'll bring this back over for recording purposes. We'll tilt it up, and then we'll go back for our little outro. So, hey, that's our test. Hopefully that comes through. We'll do a quick little double check, but we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Keep building something great, you guys.